Welcome to 7457 Bermuda Dunes, located just a 10-minute drive from Midtown Ypsilanit and only 15 minutes from Ann Arbor. Sitting on a gorgeous, fully fenced lot, this 3-bed, 2 full-bath ranch-style home offers 1,360 square feet of space. On the east side of the home is a beautifully maintained backyard and deck, and inside you'll find an impressive list of features ranging from hardwood floors and cathedral ceilings to a large finished lower level that offers space for laundry and a sizable workshop. Join us while we tour this great home. Thanks for visiting 7457 Bermuda Dunes. The nearby city of Ypsilanit is ideally located along the banks of the Huron River, and as the home of one of the most exciting and engaging independent arts and cultural scenes in Washtenaw County, it's no wonder this progressive city is beloved by both residents and visitors alike. There's a wide array of wonderful shops and restaurants located throughout downtown, and a number of nice museums, most notably the Automotive Heritage Museum in historic Depot Town. Summer festivals are a staple here and include the always popular Michigan Brewers Guild Summer Beer Festival, Elvis Fest, and the Orphan Car Festival. If you have any questions regarding this listing or any other, please contact Jim Carey at 734-717-5591 or visit ewingpros.com.